On Too Sharp with ET, first it's the inflation that cools to its lowest levels in more than 8 years, giving the Reserve Bank of India some breathing room. And second is a highway infrastructure IPO which smashes all records when it comes to the biggest IPO listing gains of 2025 so far. Let's begin. Inflation has cooled to an 8-year low. India's retail inflation, remember, has dropped to 1.55% in the month of July. That's the lowest since June 2017 that we have seen. And the first time in over 6 years, India's for this inflation has really fallen below RBI's comfort zone of 2 to 6%, way lower than the poll forecast of 1.76%. So the big reason? Food prices. They make up almost half of the CPI basket and fell by 1.76% year on year. Despite patchy monsoons, a strong spring harvest has really kept the prices of food under check. And that's really extended India's longest run of cooling prices in more than a decade. Fuel and light prices, they ticked up a slight bit to 2.67% in July from 2.55% in June. And here's why this particular timing matters. Well, this number comes barely a week after the Reserve Bank really held the rate steady at 5.5% after 3 straight cuts since February this year. Now, the central bank called the outlook more benign and now expects inflation at 3.1% for the full FY26, down from, remember, its earlier 3.7% forecast. So quarter-wise, RBI sees CPI at 2.1% in Q2, 3.1% in Q3 and 4.4% in Q4. Core inflation is holding steady at 4%. Bottom line, softer inflation gives the RBI more room to support growth, and that's really handy when the economy is already feeling the pinch from Donald Trump's new tariff hikes on Indian goods. Highway Infrastructure's IPO is the year's biggest debut. In this dream debut on the bourses, the stocks opened at 117 rupees on the BSE. That's a 67% jump from its 70 rupees issue price. On the NSE, it listed at 115 rupees, up 64%. No other IPO this year has done better on listing day. Investors clearly loved it. The 130 crore rupees IPO was really subscribed a massive 316 times overall. Retail investors went in 164 times, QIB 430 times. Highway Infra operates, remember, toll collection, EPC projects and real estate, with tolls serving as its primary revenue source. Now it's active in 11 states and a union territory, so quite pan-India. It is one of the few operators using automatic number plate recognition tech on the Delhi Meerut Expressway. In FY25, it reported the revenue of 504 crore rupees, which was down 13% from last year, but the net profit still rose 5% to 22.4 crores. Most of the IPO proceeds will go into the working capital, with the rest for general corporate purposes. Well, with such a strong start and a niche position in infrastructure space, all eyes will be on whether it can really keep the momentum going in the weeks ahead. With that, it's a wrap on Too Sharp with ET. Thanks so much.